Alright guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to go over an interesting strategy to solve these multiplication problems. And here we have 8 times 9 times 10 times 11 times 12. And let's see how we can figure this out. So if we look at the middle of this sequence, we'll have 10 plus 1, which is 11, 10 plus 2, 12. And on the left side, we have 10 minus 1, 9, and 10 minus a 2. So we are not allowed to use calculator in this. So let's see how we can develop a strategy to solve these kind of problems. So let's consider our x10. So we have 11, which is x plus 1. We have 12, which is x plus 2. And we have minus 1, 9. And we have x minus 2, 8. So let's see if we can simplify this. So we have 10. So we have our 10, which is x. We have our 9, x minus 1. We have 11, x plus 1. And we have 8, which is x minus 2. And we have 12, x plus 2. And let's see what we can get from here. So now we can see the difference of the square in each of these two expressions. So we have x. So we'll have x squared minus 1. And we're going for the difference of the squares where we have a minus b times a plus b. And same for the other one, we have x squared minus 4. And if we want to simplify these two expressions, we have to multiply this one to this one to this. So let's do that. We have x4 minus 4, x2. And we will have this one times this one and this one. So minus x squared plus 4. Let's see what we have in here. So we'll have x times x to the 4 minus 5x squared plus 4. And let's put our 10 in here. So we have 10 times 10 to the power of 4 minus 5 times 10 squared, which is 100, 500 plus 4. And it seems that we only need to figure this one out. And we have 10 to the 4 is 10,000 minus 500 is 9,500 plus 4. It will be 9,504 and we will have 95,040 as the final answer for this question. Again, we might spend a little bit of time on these procedure to get to this expression in here, but very interesting strategy that you can use in this kind of questions. And that would be all for this one. You guys take care and I'll see you in the next video.